Scan to unlock Sovi and ace your tests.
Java inheritance can be tricky, but we will master these class declarations in seconds. Let's find the invalid statement by checking every relationship carefully.
First, look at the hierarchy where tennis player extends athlete and implements student. This means a tennis player object is technically both an athlete and a student, making those specific declarations valid.
Next, we check the options. Since tennis player is a subclass, it can be stored in variables of its parent types. This confirms that choices A, B, and C are correct. Finally, look at option D. An athlete is not a student because the class does not implement that interface. Therefore, this declaration is invalid.
Well done! Option D is our winner. Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Avoid the rush and check every given relationship.